What is happening, traders? Thank you for tuning in, guys. Today we're going to be looking at Best Ink. We're not going to be checking out the chart. I do chart days on Friday. Friday is chart day, so if you want to look at a Best Ink chart, come back on Friday, guys. I'll have it set up for you guys. Probably about 12 p.m. West Coast, Los Angeles time. So if you're on the East Coast, it'll be about 3 p.m. for you guys. Now, we did have a nice run up today. It was a little higher than the 135 close that we saw. It did trend downwards after the big spike. That's okay though, guys. I still think we're going to be in a nice solid movement upwards. I want to go over a few articles that I found on the website Sina. It's a Chinese news website, I believe. When I'm researching Chinese stocks, I come here and I find a lot of information about the stocks. I do have to get a translator from Chinese to English, so you do need that to do this. Now, the first article I want to go over, I'm just briefly going to go over actually the last paragraph. I'm just going to tell you guys what it says. The express price war has entered a truce. This place is trying to break the low competition model. So, back in April, Express and another logistics company were accused of lowering their prices too low. And so they were trying to undercut their competition in order to gain more market share, and they were penalized for that. And so there's a new mandate being written up. This article says that the reporter learned that the Zhejiang Providence Express Industry Promotion Regulations and other regulations will be issued soon, which stipulate that express operators shall not provide express services at prices lower than cost. So guys, this basically means that the government is setting a floor and there is going to be no more price cutting. You're not going to be able to undercut the competition. You're not going to be able to sell your goods for lower than what they are costing you. So I think that's a good thing for Best Ink. It's going to stop cutting into their profits. According to expert analysis, this will provide legal support for the elimination of the price war that has lasted for many years in this market, and it will curb the mode of quickly occupying the market through malicious low price orders. So guys, I think that is a good thing. We're going to have to see how it plays out. Now, I did read through this article, and it does say that there were slight price increases, but it wasn't enough to really make a difference. So they're looking for this draft and other regulations to really set the floor. Now, the other article I want to go over is talking about how Best is prepared for the 618 day or the 618 festival, how they have become very capable and how they are integrated with different companies. And so I just want to go over this one really quick. Okay, so the article says, in recent years, Best Supply Chain has continuously deepened its warehouse network through the country. By integrating warehouse, transportation, and distribution resources, it has created a warehouse-based, business-to-business to customer omni-channel integrated supply chain solution to adapt to different customer scenarios and different levels of warehouse distribution services. Demand to provide customers with fast, flexible, and controllable distribution services. Basically, this means that they have the warehouses, and then it goes to the franchises, and then it goes to the customers, and they're all over China. They have expanded all over. They're actually global. They're in different countries. They're in the United States. This is a very undervalued company. The next article says, take the well-known fashion brand Hot Air as an example. During the 618 period, the Best Wuxi warehouse where the brand has entered can withstand up to 150,000 orders per day, calmly coping with the peaks and valleys of the big promotion. So basically, Best has the warehouse, it has the system, it has the integration needed for these huge shopping festivals that are going on in China. So I mean, this is perfect for them. Best also provides full-length trunk transportation, store allocation, and ViewSonic services to provide brands and consumers with ultimate efficiency and experience. Now, the last part I found was very interesting. I didn't know this until I read this article. Best Supply Chain is deeply involved in footwear, fast-moving and other industries, and provides smart supply chain services for more than 3,000 brand companies to meet the individual needs of corporate businesses and small and medium-sized businesses for the business-to-business and business-to-customer business. Data shows that as the end of March 2021, Best Supply Chain had a total of 427 self-operated franchise cloud warehouses with a total management area of 3.3 million square meters. Guys, so they have the capacity to hold a lot. They're here to operate. China is massive. They are going to be a big player in this e-commerce field. They are very, very undervalued, guys. They're sitting at $1.35 right here. They're like a UPS of China. Check them out, guys. They have a lot of upside. They got in trouble. Their stock has been going nothing but down since they've came out. But I think they're on the verge of a turnaround. Check them out. Do your DD, guys. My name is Jason. Again, I'm going to be doing a chart day on Friday. Come back on Friday if you'd like to look at the chart, guys. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time, traders.